I'd take this and keep multiplying it by 1. So if you got pounds force in the bottom, what do we have to have in the top? What's the equivalent of pounds force in the metric system? What's force in the metric system? A Newton. Now, a Newton is not equal to a pound force. There's some number, right? What is it, 6.67? What is it, Alex? You don't know?
Not top of my
Will?
head.
Does anybody know?
That's 4.44.
4.44 newtons per pound force. So what have I done here? I multiplied this thing here. What is this thing here equal to? To 1, right? I can do that. I always multiply by 1. My pounds force cancel out. That's good. I still got to get. Remember, the Pascal. Maybe I should have backed up 1 second. The Pascal, as Ezra mentioned, that's really a Newton per meter squared. That's really kind of what I get to as an intermediate step. And then a Newton meter squared, once I get there, that is a Pascal. So I've got the Newton there. Inches, I got to get that to meters. Somebody mentioned the inch is equal to 2.54 centimeters. We've got to do that twice to square it. So my inches squared and my inches squared. So now I got 13 times 4.5 divided by 2.5 divided by 2.5. And I've got newtons per centimeter squared. Anybody doing this on the calculator?
.72 over 2.94. 22.72.
22.72?
Yeah.
Okay. That's not where we're wanting. We're going to get to newton meter squared. So, how many centimeters in a meter?
100.
100. Yep. So what am I going to multiply by? Somebody tell me.
By 100.
I don't divide by 100. I don't multiply by 100. I'm going to multiply by 1. So what version of 1 am I going to use? Yep. You're right, but that's dangerous. You made the mistake. In your homework, you're going to have to write it out like this. So tell me what to write up here.
1 over 100.
No. 1 over 100 is, I'm going to be a little bit picky on this, but let's look at 1 over 100 is not equal to 1. So what's equal to 1?
Centimeter over meters.
How many centimeters in a meter? First, let's try this. Let's figure this out. Okay, we have 100 centimeters equal to 1 meter. So, we divide both sides by 1 meter. So 100 centimeters divided by 1 meter equals 1. So we can either multiply by this, or we can divide by it, which is just flip it upside down. So we can either multiply by 100 centimeters divided by 1 meter, or we can multiply by 1 meter divided by 100 centimeters. I can write this again. So we can multiply that top one. Either one of these is 1. Which one do we want? The bottom one, because 1 centimeters cancel out. And then then what else do we have to do? You said, okay. 1.
Don't this one top cancel?
I'm just following what